Changes of State by KayScience.com. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Any substance can be a solid, liquid, or gas, and changing between the states is called a physical change. It is not a chemical reaction. It is called a physical change. When a solid changes into a liquid, this is called melting. When a liquid changes into a gas, this is called evaporation or boiling. Evaporation can take place at any temperature between the melting and boiling point, whereas boiling takes place at one specific temperature. When a gas changes into a liquid, this is called condensing. When a liquid changes into a solid, this is called freezing. When a solid changes directly into a gas, this is called sublimation. When a gas changes directly into a solid, this is called deposition. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. We're now going to use the keywords to understand how H2O, also known as water, can be a solid, liquid, or gas. Ice is the solid form of H2O. Water is the term commonly used to describe liquid H2O. And water vapor is the term commonly used to describe H2O when it is a gas. Remember, it's physical changes that causes H2O to be ice, water, or water vapor. At no point does the chemical composition change. There are no chemical reactions taking place. It is just physical changes. As you can see, the physical changes have been left blank. So pause now to fill in the blanks to see how much you've been learning, and the answers will follow. If you didn't get them all correct, rewatch the video and attempt the task again. So heat is always needed to melt or boil a substance. And you need to cool a substance if you're going to condense or freeze it. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.